Before a penetration test even starts, security researchers often lose weeks wrestling with broken dependencies and configuring complex toolchains. If you hand a standard AI coding assistant, like Cursor or Claude Code, a raw binary, it will fail. These models do not know your local machine state, so they guess blindly and hallucinate file paths. An AI might write brilliant Python scripts, but ask it to reverse engineer an Android APK without explicitly telling it where your specific decompilers are located, and it stalls out completely. Raw intelligence cannot execute a real-world security assessment unless there is a dedicated bridge connecting the model's logic directly to your local environment. The Reverse Skill Framework is an open-source workflow router built to fill this environment vacuum. By giving the model direct access to your local file system, the framework turns a standard AI assistant into an autonomous technical director. This direct link between the model's reasoning and your local tools removes the need for manual environment setup, cutting down weeks of repetitive task management. Researchers focus on high-level strategy, while the system manages the underlying technical execution and environment configuration. When passing a target to the framework, it blocks the AI from immediately firing off commands. Instead, it forces the model to read a strict routing matrix. This diagram illustrates the classification step. It analyzes the file signature and intent, distinguishing an Android APK from a raw binary or front-end JavaScript. Once classified, the system dispatches a methodology playbook, laying out precise steps before a tool is engaged. By locking the AI into this structured routing protocol, it prevents the model from guessing, guaranteeing a professional, reproducible approach for every target. After the playbook is assigned, the system runs an internal check against the tool index file to explicitly verify what software is actually installed on your machine. This triggers the framework's standout feature, on-demand toolchain bootstrapping. If the index reports that essential software, like jadx for Java decompilation or Radar-E2 for binary analysis, is missing, the framework executes background scripts to install them. This automatic installation layer is natively cross-platform, meaning it works equally well whether you are running Windows, Kali, standard Linux, or macOS. Because the necessary toolchain builds itself exactly when a target requires it, you never have to pause an assessment to hunt down missing dependencies. With tools verified and the playbook active, the AI finally begins physical execution against the target. This grid maps the system's density. It ships with over 40 distinct playbooks tailored for capture-the-flag scenarios and complex offensive security tasks. It can autonomously navigate full firmware penetration tests, stepping through extraction, emulation, and fuzzing based directly on standard OWASP methodologies. It can also rapidly pivot to map out advanced endpoint detection and response bypass techniques against modern active defense layers. The AI chains these playbooks together, passing the output of a reverse engineering step directly into the input of an exploit script. This creates a continuous attack chain where the framework handles the complex handoffs between different security tools automatically. When the attack chain concludes, the framework shifts focus away from the target and turns inward to evaluate its own performance. This diagram shows the memory architecture. After every task, the AI writes operational findings back into a local database, known as the field journal. It explicitly logs tool quirks, environmental failures, and custom workarounds, documenting exactly what happened, regardless of whether the exploit succeeded or failed. This persistent memory structure ensures your autonomous operator actively learns from every engagement, growing smarter over time, and refusing to make the identical mistake twice. To maintain this level of automation, the framework requires strict adherence to its own internal configuration rules. You are explicitly required to manually run the refresh tool index script when first deploying the system. Otherwise, the routing matrix will fail to locate your environment. This graphic highlights the manual dependencies. Heavy-duty core tools, specifically IDA Pro and Android SDK components, cannot be auto-bootstrapped and must be installed by hand. While the software brilliantly automates the execution pipeline and memory logging, the foundational physical environment still demands careful human oversight. Check the description for the GitHub repository link to install Reverse Skill for yourself, and subscribe for more developer tools.